Taiwan is reeling today as Typhoon Podul, one of the most powerful storms of the season, slams into the island's southeastern coast. The city of Taitung has taken the brunt of nature's fury, as walls of water, hurricane-force winds, and relentless rain. This morning, August 13th, 2025, what started as a severe tropical storm escalated into a severe typhoon with terrifying speed. By the time it made landfall near Taitung City around noon, Podul was unleashing sustained winds of 109 miles per hour and gusts reaching an astonishing 224 kilometers per hour.
Ah, 怎么洗碗？哎呦！
The Taiwan Central Weather Bureau had warned that low-lying coastal areas were at extreme risk, and they were right. Storm surges pounded the shoreline, pushing seawater inland and swallowing roads, homes, and entire neighborhoods. In some spots, waves towered up to 8 meters high, smashing over embankments and swallowing everything in sight. By midday, coastal communities were underwater. Locally heavy rain drenched eastern and southern Taiwan, with forecasts predicting up to 40 centimeters in a single day. This torrential downpour only worsened the flooding situation, turning streets into rivers and trapping residents in their homes.
Wow, 风势越来越强了。哇！
哇！
In Fugang Port, the sea was a raging beast. Gigantic waves slammed into the harbor walls, sending spray high into the air. On Orchid Island, the weather station reported something extraordinary. The entire township was engulfed inside the eye of the typhoon early this morning. The calm in the center was fleeting, as soon after, the island was battered by force 14 gusts and a deluge of rain, totaling 120 millimeters by breakfast time. Across Taitung, roofs were ripped from buildings, power lines came down, and debris turned the streets into dangerous obstacle courses. Vehicles fought to navigate through flooded intersections, but flying debris and falling trees made travel nearly impossible. In Dongfeng Community, Yuli, Hualien, floodwaters surged into streets, turning them into fast-moving rivers filled with thick, muddy water. In the mountainous area of Dawu, landslides and falling rocks blocked vital roadways. Even in the city center, trees lay uprooted, and bricks had fallen from the exterior walls of buildings, littering sidewalks. The chaos extended to Taiwan's transport system. Taiwan Railways suspended numerous services before 6 p.m., with schedules along the western trunk line disrupted. Stranded passengers waited anxiously for updates, as officials promised to resume operations only when conditions were safe. Repair crews are on standby, ready to begin restoring power and clearing debris as soon as the storm weakens. Authorities stress that safety is the top priority, and no one will be sent into dangerous zones until the worst of Podul's winds have passed. Veteran residents are comparing Podul to infamous past storms like Typhoon Podul, which powerful winds, torrential rain, and massive waves has made Podul a storm that will be remembered for years to come. Entire neighborhoods are submerged, roads are impassable, and train lines are silent. The government has urged residents in flood-prone areas to stay indoors, stock up on essentials, and wait for official clearance before venturing out. Typhoon Podul has tested Taiwan's resilience once again. From 8-meter waves crashing into Taitung's shores to the flooding of rural villages and bustling cities alike, the island faces yet another chapter in its long history of battling nature's most destructive forces. But if there's one thing Taiwan has proven time and again, it's that its people will rebuild, recover, and stand strong in the face of adversity.